Hey guys, I received something very exciting this week from Gazzew, and I'm stoked to be able to share them with you. Prototype Boba Linear Thocks, and I think they are amazing. If you've been waiting for a thocky, non-silent linear boba, they're in the works. While the prototype stem color is red, the production color will be dark purple. The first production of stems has finished and are en route to Gazzew as this is being recorded, with an ETA for the end of next week, June 25th, 2021. Initially, these will be available as DIY only, and if interest is positive, factory assembled versions will be produced. This board is a Tofu 65 that has an O-ring mounted PCB with no foam in the case and a polycarbonate plate. These stabilizers are Durock V2s that have been wholly modded and looped. The keycaps are from Amazon. There is a build video I will be linking in the description that has a comparison of these stocky linears to the U4Ts as well as sound tests with and without foam. Thanks for dropping by, and be sure to like and subscribe for all the upcoming content.